Given that a and b are positive integers, a plus b is equal to 13, and a times b is also 13. Can you find the value of the equation a squared plus b squared? Pause now to try. This question may look impossible at first, but once you examine it closer, it becomes a piece of cake. Just watch. The secret to solving this problem is this algebraic expansion. We first square both sides of this equation, then expand a plus b squared using this formula to end up with this result. Next, we take our second equation, a times b equals to 13, and double it to get 2ab equals to 26. Moving on, we minus the second equation from the first equation. This allows us to cancel the 2ab, leaving us with a squared plus b squared equals 143 as our answer. And that's it. To summarize, we first expanded our first equation, then multiplied our second equation by 2, allowing us to cancel out 2ab, giving us the answer of 143. With that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you all in the next one.